Genesis 2:22 says that, "Then the Lord made the woman out of the rib that he had taken out of the man." And that is what a helpmate represents. We are called to protect the heart of our husbands, just like a rib protects the heart. Welcome to day 4, my friends. I'm excited to share the update that I have lost so far 1.2 pounds this week. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen in the upcoming days. I have this goal of losing 10 pounds within 30 days. So far, it's looking like I'm on track. So today morning started with 10,000 steps with sunrise, and then I had this 2 eggs, a mango, avocado toast, my chai, saffron, vitamins, and anchovies. Then I did my workout. It was 115 pounds, altogether 50 reps. I couldn't do any cardio today to begin with because all the machines were occupied, and so that gave me a start to deadlift today, which is okay. And then I tried to do different workouts today, and I'll be talking about them down further. Then I did weighted ab crunch, 65 pounds, total 20 reps. Then I did KV swings with 25 pounds. That was 20 reps. Then I did mountain climbers, and they were 100 reps. 3 planks, 30-second each. And then a little bit of stretching of my body and just taking a gap before I do another weighted ab crunch. And so this one was 20 reps with 60 pounds. And then shortly after that, I ended up with a cardio. And this one was rowing. I did 50 calories here. And that was it. That's the summary of my workout. From today, it was a heavy day, but I'm glad I was able to do it. Then lunch was usual. Here is the total protein amounts for today. And I am so humbled and honored that the Lord is moving and He is using my daily goals to add up to the goal that He has put in my heart. So stay tuned, my friends, and I'm praying for you all. God is good.